Here is how to embed a Loom. So right here I have a Loom embedded, and I'm going to show you how I did that. It's very simple, which is really nice. So all you have to do is click this plus sign. Actually, all you have to do is paste your Loom URL, and then you're simply going to click embed Loom. And just like that, bada boom, bada bing, you have a Loom embedded. There's lots of uses for this. It's that easy, and you can play directly in there, which is really nice. You can move it around using this handle. There's lots of ways to do this, or lots of reasons you could use this. You could use this if you are creating a welcome page for someone, or if you have like a bundle event and you want to do a welcome page. You can do this for emails. You can do this for I have some people that you can make courses and embed them through here. There's lots of reasons. In this particular example, I use it to keep track of my trainings I've created. I have this basic template I keep here that keeps all of my stuff organized for each video, and then I have the links separate for all the locations of where this video is, as well as lots of different ways to organize it. So hopefully that helped you.